Hey y'all, well I am getting ready, and I'm getting ready so fast. I'm going to tell you this product. This is Instant Look in a Palette by Charlotte Tilbury, and it is saving my booty this morning because I'm running late. So I am just going to put on a little highlighter. How y'all doing? Are y'all having a good week? I'm having a crazy wonderful week. My company took me to California, so that's where I am right now. Putting highlighter on the inner tear duct and under the brow. And I'm using an E35 from Sigma. Anyway, so we're in Anaheim, and it's all business. So today I am going to be sampling a new drink that's coming out. And it's going to be wonderful, y'all. You're going to love it. All right, so now I'm going to put on my transition color, which is this middle color right there. And very, very quickly. Both sides. Not going for perfection this morning because I'm running late. And I think I did a little too much perfection on my hair. And it did, you know what? It gets fried in this weather anyway. It's very moist air, so if you have long curly hair, it's beautiful, waving in the California breeze. But if you straighten your hair because as you've gotten older, it's gotten a little wiry, this is not for you. I know Dr. Elizabeth on, I think she's on YouTube and Instagram, but she's like almost 60 years old and has the body of a 16-year-old. And I mean literally, because she does green juices and she doesn't eat any kind of things like pizza, or she just says it's not worth it. She'd rather be healthy. And I thought, God, that's a great attitude. You know, we should all be doing that. And we'd end up looking like her. So I'm going to take this dark color that I just went in my crease with, and I'm going to go under my lash line with it. And this is just reinforcing my lash line. I've already done my brows. And believe it or not, I already did my liner. My upper lid liner, liquid liner. So now all I've got to do is curl my lashes and get out the door. And I do want to, because to me, especially when you have glasses, your eyelashes don't show up very good through them unless you put on 2 to 3 coats. And I like a lot of mascara anyway, so, you know, there's that. Also, oh, I forgot to put on my bronzer, or contour, should I say, and blush. So we'll have to do that after we do the lashes. Normally, y'all know I hold this a little bit longer, but I'm kind of just going for it today. So I'm using my Maybelline Rocket Volume Express. It's waterproof black, and I'm swirling it around inside. Feel that little, and you're going to use that little tippy tip end right there to tip your lashes. Just make sure you got them all to the way to the ends. And now we'll comb it through. And I am going to do just kind of a basic run here. That first one, you're just kind of lining up your lashes, so make sure if there's a crimp or something, you fix it. Sometimes it's better just to re-crimp your lashes. That's what you're doing with a eyelash curler. By the way, you're crimping your lashes. So here we go. What do you think of this lighting? This is the lighting on the desk in the hotel room, y'all. Get the little inner couple of lashes. It's always so hard to get, and the outer ones to make sure they curl out. Oops, just hit my hair. Pull it off real quickly. Here we go, here we go. I feel like this side did better than the other side. Y'all ever do that? I feel like when you do your lashes, one side does better than the other. But you can always go back and even it up, or they don't have to be exactly the same. Now you want a little asymmetry. I mean, not lopsided, but you know. So because I'm doing this so quickly, I'm gonna re-tip just to make sure I got all the way to the ends. I'm going to do this outer right here real slowly just to make sure I come through any gloops and I got all the lashes, because I think I'm only going to have time to do 2 passes. And I am going to tip the lower lash. That little noise you hear in the background, the air conditioning is blowing so strong it's blowing the drapes, which I'm loving because I'm so hot right now. Right. Okay, re-tipping, especially the outer one, inner one, And now we're going to comb through from out here. Kind of slower. Make sure we're getting everything all the way through and straight up. Wow, y'all, the air is blowing so much it's actually drying the lashes, which is helpful right now, to be honest. Oops. Accidentally hit my eye. That wasn't fun, but you know what I'm going to do about it. Oh, and there's a little fallout and a little chunky piece. We're going to just grab that. And I have on blue jeans, so here's the honest truth. I just wiped that on my jeans. It's a little tiny crumb. There's one little hair that wants to be with me. You got to watch those. That's what I'm doing for today. That is the look. Except, oh, I got to do my bronzer blush. So here, you've got this wonderful little brush that comes with it. Just doing kind of a right above the crease of your cheek so that it will look like there's a shadow effect. And what does it do? It does. Try not to overdo it too. Stay above the white. Don't go into it and then come in. Then go to the outer part and you're just basically kind of blending in a little darker color. I think if it says days. Okay. I think my nose anticipated it was fixing to get some bronzer. A little more. And then just straight back and forth, almost like a smiley face. You're hitting this jaw and this jaw. Make your line, but make sure and blend it down. What this does is kind of just shadow under here so it's not so prominent. Come up on your chin a little, and then we're going to take, I just literally go through both blushes like that, tap it off, smile. I come down and then round it out. Come down and round it out. Then I hit the bridge in the nose and right in front of the bronzer. A little more bulbous chin area. Make sure you blended good. And I'm done. That's my look for the day, y'all. I hope you like it, and I will talk to you again soon. Love y'all. Bye.